How to add or remove a card on Temu application. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to add or remove a card from Temu application, just first of all log in into your Temu account. Tap open the application and click on your profile icon written as you on the bottom center. From here, select on the settings icon which is on the top right, and here you have the option of your payment methods. Tapping on it will open another page from where you can access another page of credit card and debit card. Thereby, you have to click on add card and you can fill in the details and you're good to go. Similarly, if you want to cancel or remove a card, you have to click on the credit or the debit card that has been added, and there you have the option to delete the card. And this way easily you can add or remove the card on Temu. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.